Jeffrey Powers, NAMM 2019. We're here at Two Box, which is a drum trigger company, and we're going to talk about hybriding your drum set, actually completely putting mesh heads on your drum set, and getting the sounds that you want. We're going to talk about that next on Geekazine.
So long. Oh my God, no! This is Matt. He's with
Hoshino USA.
Hoshino USA, and of course you have the Two Box, which is how does that work?
Two Box is an electronic drum kit out of Sweden.
Okay.
They make a lot of different products. They started with the DrumIt 5, which was popular for a long time.
Okay.
We recently did the DrumIt 3, which is the new version of it, and then they're coming out with the new DrumIt 5 2.0.
Okay.
The new DrumIt 3 and the DrumIt 5 2.0 are compatible with any electronic drum kit out there. So if you have Roland stuff, you can use it with that. If you want to upgrade your Elisa's kit, you can use it with that.
Okay.
Any kind of stuff there.
And if you have if you're going acoustic and you want to put on triggers,
Right, that's correct.
From there.
What we have here is a cocktail jam kit with some mesh heads and some triggers on it. What this is a hybrid kit, so you can do a lot of different sounds with it. The greatest thing about Two Box is it's completely customizable. If you have a snare drum that you like, you can make that snare drum. If you have a kit that you like, you can make that kit. You also have like an almost unlimited amount of storage. So,
I'm assuming there's software that brings that in there?
right, you would check that out on twobox.se.
Okay.
They have a lot of downloadable sounds. They usually push out software updates.
Do they make them WAV files, or you know?
I'm not exactly sure what the files are. You might have to check on that on the website, but yeah, you definitely have like an almost unlimited amount of sounds with this.
Okay.
One big thing is they're very dynamic. You get a lot of dynamic, almost acoustic sounding sounds.
Okay.
A lot of guys in the industry are digging these when they go live at like venues and stuff because they're so versatile and they sound so dynamic.
Yeah. Where do
Fortunately.
people go for more information?
Well, you can go for more information, twobox.se. They should be available at any local Tama dealer. We also distribute for them.
Okay, and then a Hoshino.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Hoshino USA, we handle Ibanez guitars and Tama drums, along with Hardcase and a couple other brands, including Two Box.
All right, thank you very much, Matt, for your time.
You have a wonderful day.
So the prices of the Two Box, the D3 kit starts at $1,244. The T5 kit starts at $274, and that's just for the triggers for like the cocktail set there. So you can put it together, put your mesh heads on, or put it on your regular drum heads and then trigger for the sound guide. Lots of different ways to do that, and that's over at Two Box. We got a lot more video over at NAMM 2019. We're in the loud area where all the drums are happening, and guys that are rocking out on drum sets right behind me here. So check it all out over at geekazine.com, youtube.com/geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, comment, and go from there. So thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, you guys geek out.